Introducing the MetalPress MDS-8 die splitter and tester, the ultimate solution for precise and efficient die and mold maintenance and testing. Designed for tool makers, mold makers, and manufacturing professionals, this machine simplifies die and mold maintenance like never before. The MDS-8 safely and effortlessly splits, tests, and inspects dies and molds, improving accuracy and reducing downtime. The MDS-8 features include hydraulic core system testing, ejector system testing, safety light curtains, various load capacities to fit different mold sizes and configurations, hydraulic precision splitting for smooth and controlled operation, integrated mold testing for accurate alignment verification, heavy-duty construction for durability and long-term performance, ergonomic design for ease of use and operator safety. The MDS-8 can be ordered with optional water cooling system testing and customizable clamping systems. For example, this unit features an optional magnetic clamping system for quick and convenient setup. By using the MetalPress MDS-8, you'll enhance productivity, improve safety, and ensure precision in every step of the mold or die maintenance process. Ready to take your mold handling to the next level? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about the MDS-8 die splitter and tester.